young man.
Well, the story began in 1991. My wife and I decided to come to Aruba. We immediately fell in love with Aruba from day one. And after that first year, a couple family members joined us. And from there, it's grown to our children, our grandchildren, our nieces, our nephews,
our siblings.
And in 2019, we started a Facebook group page on the resort. We wanted people to understand, to see what we loved here at the hotel and share that with them. My wife chose the hotel just out of nowhere.
Yes. And my husband says, I want to take you on vacation. Where do you want to go? I said, I want to go to Aruba.
She didn't know nothing.
I didn't know anything about Aruba. And I said, you know, we'll go, we'll see if we like it. And we fell in love. We started staying at the Americana.
Yes.
First it was the Americana, then it was the Allegro, then it was the Occidental, and now it's Barcelo. We've always stayed at the same hotel for 34 years.
Well, it developed because we would go home and it's all we would talk about was Aruba to our family. And they couldn't understand what, you know, our love for this island until they came. Then once they came here, that was it. They were all joining us.
Yes.
Every year, every June.
I mean, the people, let's be honest, the people of Aruba are the most beautiful people in the whole wide world, at least to us. We love all Arubian people.
This is a quick story. Our first night on the island, we went to the Buccaneer restaurant. And I asked the owner, whose name was Joseph, what do you do here? There's nothing here. And he said to me and my wife, what are you doing tonight? He says, we have nothing. It's our first night. We went bowling with the taxi drivers.
Our very first
night
in Aruba.
And
that was it. We were in love.
We woke up the next morning. I says, I love this place.
We loved it.
So that's the Aruba culture. It's welcoming and it's warm. And
loving.
My favorite thing about Barcelo, I would have to say, is the staff, number one.
Yes.
And two, the people we've met over the years. And three, it's location, but actually it's more than that. It's been our home. It's our home away from home.
It's our second home. We love all of the staff members. They're just beautiful people. And even when they leave and go somewhere else, if we see them, they're warm, loving, greeting. There's so much respect. I mean, it's just so beautiful. The culture is just so beautiful.
Well, the most rooms we ever had was about 12 years ago. My nephew was married, and we had 46 rooms. This trip, I would say there's probably 16 to 18 rooms, I would have to say. And, you know, most of them stay anywhere from 8 to 10 days. My wife and I were staying 17. My favorite part is the culture of the people, the Aruban culture. Every June, I would go with a friend of mine to Daragay, be involved in the local community. It's beautiful. And, you know, one thing about the Aruban people, they respect each other. And you don't find that very often.
Not no more. In the United States, that is gone. In Aruba, it's a blessing. It's beautiful. The people love and respect each other. They greet each other.
Absolutely.
You know, it's just a beautiful, beautiful culture.
Now, a last question. I heard you guys have many years together. What's the secret to a long-lasting relationship and your connection to Aruba?
Well, first of all, you have to like each other.
We like each other a lot. A lot.
And second of all, if I don't take her to Aruba,
there's going to be a problem.
There's a problem. My wife is a great wife, great mother, great grandmother, but there's one thing she wants to do. She wants to come to Aruba.
Yep.
Her 4 times a year.
Yes.
And fortunately, we're blessed that we're able to do that.
Yes.
And that is a blessing.
We're truly blessed. Not only to be having each other, our life is beautiful, and Aruba is such a big part of our love story. We love it here. We love the culture. We love the people. Our family loves it here. And we've been blessed enough to be together for 50 years. So what else could you ask for, right?